Right.
Wait, I need a paper box.
Where is it?
It's up on the light. It was placed on the light.
Okay.
Fire up the lights and it'll fly off that in hurry.
You're gonna do this, Kathy?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
What are you doing?
So can you prep us? What's gonna happen?
What's going to happen here is I'm a bird whisperer, and I'm going to go in there and I'm going to talk it down into the little box, and I'm taking it outside London.
Okay. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
I hope we see you again.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I'm not that flighty.
Bird whisperer.
Yeah.
We're all counting on you.
What did you? What are you saying? What did you just say?
Oh, that's strictly between birds. It's really, I can't. I need my box.
Did you do the cartoon thing?
How did you even know about that?
I'm just going to go in and entertain
So
people, let it fly
is it here?
around.
Where'd he go?
Here, I'll go in and see. Let me go in and talk to
You
you.
gotta go talk to it.
I'll just see if
Did
I
you
can.
even know about
Talk
it?
him down, Kathy.
Earlier?
Talk him down.
Or were you just like walking through?
We shall name her Leah.
No.
Dan McNeil says, start at 11. Find a reason to love him.
Behind the TV.
Oh God.
I did it to Marlis earlier. She jumped on a foot. Where is he? Go up in the ceiling tiles?
You sure he's in there?
Yeah.
Is he up by the
He was sitting up on the top shelf up there.
yeah by the camera up there?
No camera.
Behind the camera.
He might have gone up. He might have pushed his.
He's probably behind the TV.
Oh God, here come
Okay, close the door.
here comes Sko.
Reinforcements.
Oh, there it is.
It's up there in the corner.
Oh, poor thing.
He's probably freaking out.
What kind is it?
It's on top of the
Just a finch.
it's on top of the light now.
Yeah, right there. What is that, a finch?
Finish out the windows.
Okay. Reinforcements going in.
Even more.
You gotta try to. This would work better than that.
What's that, shirt?
Throw the shirt on.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Oh my God.
That's a jacket.
Yeah, if we could open the window, if we could open the windows, it would solve the whole problem, wouldn't it? Now?
Smash him out. Don't we have a ladder or something?
We do. You want me?
Can we just take one of the bird feeders in the yard and
Oh,
bring it
it's
in?
there it
and
is.
them out?
Maybe.
Why did I flinch? There's a window in front of me. Oh, he's down
Right
there.
there. Now you put
Oops.
you garbage can him right now. You put it on top of him. You won't move. Put him in the bag and let him go. That was your window right there. Okay, it's right there, Kathy. Get him. Right there. Right there. Right
Move
there.
the chairs out.
Poor little guy.
He's in the light now.
He's gonna probably electrocute himself before he ended up executing us.
He's up there.
Yeah, he's up there. What is Sko doing?
Catch him, Sko! Catch him!
Did he put bird seed on that thing or what? Is he just
This
hoping
is a top. He was sitting there.
Well,
Yeah, you're not gonna catch him in that thing now.
Bird. Does anybody have a net?
But Steve's not gonna catch him in that.
anybody a fisherman here?
Dell! Dell!
Del, ask Del if he's got a net in the car. Is there?
The fact that you all ducked when that bird came at that window with the door closed is pretty. Oh my God. That's awesome.
What on earth is that thing gonna do?
Well, it's got a hole in it so you can breathe. I
Oh
believe.
Jesus.
Thanks for the ice cream tub.
See, he's using it, isn't he?
Just tell Sko to just hold his arm out like this and see if it'll come
It
on him.
ain't a macaw. You're a pretty bird.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
The News 3 aviary.
Yeah. Well, some people think
Okay,
birds.
there it is.
Eric, get on the ground. Don't hurt yourself. Don't twist an ankle.
Did they get him?
Oh,
Oh, they came. By the time Kathy got off the
I
table.
thought they were gonna get him.
Why is everyone? Is this like a zoo?
Ooh,
Well,
ooh.
Oh, does Kathy now? Oh, does she need help?
Well, you want to jump in?
He's like, I want to be with my friends.
Just don't let the bird out. It's right there in the corner.
Here comes number 3.
Oh, look at the buddy.
Look at the little buddy.
Well, it depends on how bad. It depends if you went dead or alive. The problem with that one, you couldn't get out of the.
There it is.
Oh, it's down here. Oh.
There's a smart ball.
Now, Kathy, speak to it.
Speak.
Oops, my phone
Okay,
is
now
blowing up.
Put a cover on it. Just put a cover on it. Don't let it go. And you wrap it up and you take it outside. It's simple.
Rick, go in there then.
Just throw it over there now.
It's hurt.
Huge flying. I don't think it's hurt.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
The question is how long we do this before we actually have to get back to work.
Yeah, we're at 6 minutes and 45 seconds now. This is gonna have to get cut. The news is not gonna happen.
I was gonna say we could just leave it in here and let somebody else deal with it.
Just leave it.
Well, what's it gonna do? If it poops a little, you can clean it up in the morning. There's been more blood spilled in this room than just from a bird.
We got it. We've got a system now.
Oh,
Really?
For a bigger cardboard box.
Kathy's
got a cardboard box
coaxing it
here,
in.
but I have to empty it out.
I'm calling the professional photojournalist now to capture this.
Uh-oh, the producer here yelling at us now. Oh.
I'm sorry, I don't know why. Oh my god, can it get it through the bottom crack? No?
What was that?
I was just wondering if it could get through the bottom of the door. The
And you, an eyewitness like yourself, you say it's hurt, huh? You think it's hurt?
Yes, because it keeps banging its head onto the glass. You would think, no?
I don't know. I'm no bird
I feel
expert.
so bad for it.
Ooh, here. How are we doing in there?
Why don't we just let it fly out?
Well, it's been in there all day and not flown out of the newsroom.
But not in here. Now it's got nowhere to go.
Yeah, but you don't want it going out.
Let it go out the door.
It's not going to go out the door. That's the problem.
Oh, it's down there.
I'm going to try something.
Go in there, Brad. Brad can handle it.
Uh-oh.
Go, Brad.
We've got another one with an idea.
It's not gonna work.
Did they get it?
Okay.
See, this will probably work. I got a box and a cover. Here.
Nez goes in.
Does anybody have a hockey mask?
This is getting better and better.
Okay. Put your jacket on top of it, Brad. Move, Brad.
Ooh.
Oh, Brad.
David.
Ooh, we have it? I think we have it.
Oh, God, sorry.
I think we have it. We're going in.
It might be crushed.
Oh, no. That is brilliant.
You got it? Yeah. Awesome.
Oh, this is gonna be. Yeah.
They're going to let it free.
Yes, yes. Is it really in there? Here, shake it. Shake it. I'm just kidding.
How'd it go in there, Kathy?
It went well. I mean, I have a few cuts and bruises, but I'm going to be all right.
So, we're going to free now?
I'm going to let this little guy free. That's right. Life is good, huh?
What if it's dead?
Well, then Then it's a little extra lunchy lunch. All right, well, let's see. I think we need the sun on this side. You guys can be on that side.
Spoken like a true photographer.
Door's closed? Close that door! Hi, bird. Now, as a bird whisperer, we usually give a good wish to the bird, so everyone wish it good flying. Off we go.
Is it in there? It's not in there.
It's not in here.
It was in there. Where was it hiding?
I was just in one of the little cracks in the paper bag.
Nice job, Kathy.
Are we going to get sound with Kathy? Does someone need to grab a microphone?
No. Not in here. Woo!